In a little while from now, where I'm not feeling any less sour, I promised myself to treat myself a visit near my tower, and climbing to the top, to throw myself up in an effort to make it clear to you about what's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch at a church where people saying, my God, that staff, she stood him up. No point in us remaining, we may as well go home, as I did on my own, alone again, naturally. I think that only yesterday I was cheerful, bright and gay, looking forward to what I wouldn't do, to what I was about to play. And then if to knock me down, reality came around, and without so much as a mere touch, cut me into little pieces, leaving me to doubt. Talk about God and His mercy, or if He really does exist, why did He desert me? And in my hour of need, I'm truly am in need, alone again, naturally. Seems to me that more hearts are broken in the world that can be mended, left unattended. What do we do? What do